where we dive deep into the world of technology and innovation. Today, we're going to explore the groundbreaking Apple Vision Pro and how it's reshaping the way we perceive visuals. In a world where visuals have become an integral part of our daily lives, Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Apple Vision Pro is the latest technology developed by Apple, incorporating cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and image processing. This remarkable system enhances the visual experience across Apple devices, elevating your content consumption to new heights. With Apple Vision Pro, every image on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac comes alive with stunning detail, vibrant colors, and exceptional clarity. Its intelligent color correction algorithms analyze each pixel, automatically adjusting hues, saturation, and contrast to achieve the perfect balance. And it's not just about enhancing images. Apple Vision Pro adapts to your environment, adjusting brightness levels to ensure optimal viewing in any lighting condition. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or playing games, Apple Vision Pro enhances every visual element, bringing your content to life like never before. But Apple Vision Pro goes beyond personal devices. It has also revolutionized the professional realm, empowering artists, designers, and creators with unparalleled precision and accuracy. From video editing to graphic design, Apple Vision Pro provides professionals with an expansive color gamut, precise color grading tools, and remarkable rendering capabilities. With its state-of-the-art hardware integration, Apple Vision Pro unleashes the true potential of content creation, making every visual masterpiece come to life. Beyond personal and professional use, Apple Vision Pro has made waves across industries like healthcare, education, and augmented reality, bringing forth transformative experiences. So, whether you're an enthusiast, a professional, or an innovator, Apple Vision Pro sets a new benchmark for visual technology, pushing the boundaries of what we can see and experience. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of Apple Vision Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.